welcome back. So today we are going to get started on the siding on the back side of the house.
Yeah, so Aaron went ahead and burnt all the wood, scrubbed it all down, and sealed it all.
Yes, so this should be pretty easy for us. It's just a bunch of, stack and go as we work our way up. There's not going to be any angle cuts because we are going to come back in and do the same planking on the inner sides of the A as we go up. So yeah, it's going to be nice to get this done and work our way to finishing the back side of the house.
And the cool thing is too, it's going to be sunny today, it's going to be hot. We're going to be in the shade 100% of the day.
Yes, yeah, that's nice. All right, that's
doesn't stop. It's time to work, obviously.
Yeah. All right. Two bows, so when we're putting it on there, you can see the tongue on the bottom one. It's kind of like arched up.
Just got up, something's wrong. I waited up with wounds on my feet. Where will you be? Flickering through memories, the Polaroids yellowed in the sun, longing to be seen. So come and hide with me, hide with me, hide with me. Come and hide with me, hide with me, hide with me. Bright, I called you up just to hear your voice on the machine. Nothing will be like it was, but you will always be my first choice, just as it seems. Hide with me, hide with me.
I just realized your hair's tied back.
You guys see, he's always this short. He just stands on stumps when we do our talks, so you don't realize, he's like 4'8". Sometimes the heels on his boots will put him up to 5 feet, but not usually.
Oh, see, there's no flat surface anywhere on this property, so we're sitting like this right now. That's why she's so tall. But watch this. See?
Lies, he's 5 foot. With his heels on. Ellie's the new house builder. Right, Ellie? You're doing a good job. Springtime downpour there.
It came in fast and left pretty fast. We do that or not?
Thunder's rolling, but
It's going that way. So
yeah, it's moving away. We're gonna try and get these last 2 boards up and then probably call it a night.
Alright guys, see, we didn't do any angle cuts on this. This is all going to actually get covered up. There's going to be planking that comes across, and so you won't see anything back here. So, remember in the other video, we actually had gray metal that matched the roof coming up. We actually got rid of that. Same with the, almost like we did in the dormers. It's going to give it more of like a rustic cabin feel when we have the dark wood on this with this bolting to it. So, we changed that, didn't like it, so you live and you learn.
Okay, so that looks like it's as far as we're going to get on the siding today. Unfortunately, things didn't quite go according to plan.
So we went ahead and ordered some 1x8 from 84 Lumber. We said we got 3,000 feet in stock, so okay, we need 20 more sticks. So we hooked the trailer up, drive an hour away to go pick them up. We get there and you know, they don't have them there in their special order.
Yes.
So
Yeah. So
pretty awful.
yeah, that kind of stinks. So we're just going to have to switch gears and probably work on the platform, I guess, instead. Those boards should be in a couple of days, and I can get those should be bonded, then we can get back at it.
And you guys notice too, we didn't put any fern strips behind the siding. Reason being, that exterior of the house is going to be the interior of a house here probably 4 to 5 months down the road. So
yes. Yeah.
Go ahead.
If you're new to our channel, we're building onto the back side of the house. That's where all of the bedrooms and whatnot are going to be. So this portion that we've tackled so far was just something that we felt like we could get done and not have it take too long, so we wouldn't be in the camper for all that long before we got into this part of the house. But had we gone after the entire house at the time, we wouldn't have been able to pay with cash as we went and moved along as quickly, and it would have been much longer time spent in the camper. So we're kind of biting it off in chunks, and this is the first chunk. But once we get this part done, phase one, we are going to build onto the back side of the house once we are in there, which shouldn't be too much longer.
No, we'll be in there hopefully in August.
Yes.
Right?
I hope so.
Me too.
He thinks August, I think.
What, Thanksgiving?
I said Thanksgiving. What do you guys think?
Definitely not Thanksgiving. What else? Talk about the door?
Yes, the door. Okay, so we need to make a decision on what color to paint that door. It is temporary, but for now it needs to get painted. So be sure you guys comment below and let us know what your thoughts are on what color we should paint that door. Josh's favorite color, pink?
No. I like a red door. It makes it pop.
Yeah, but see, I don't really think we should go with. We've always had red doors.
I know.
Every house we've gone through, we've had red doors, and we loved them. But I feel like we're more of like a blending in, like mellow in the woods here, and I think that red kind of just screams, "I'm here,
Yeah.
not hidden."
Let us know what you think.
Yep. All right, so that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.
Yep, see ya.
What's the style that you're going for? Of your appearance, you know? I mean, is it, because to me, personally, you look like you're somewhere of a cross between a lumbersexual and a felon. Look. Are you done?
It's Aaron's kin right there. Causing more racket. Oh, man. Let's go.
Okay. Van, enough, dude. We're awake. Enough. You done? I'm Dodie.